if you're a busy woman running out in the morning, especially a woman over 40 experiencing perimenopausal symptoms or even low iron. These are some iron rich, a lifestyle change here that I'm doing. So this is my chia pudding recipe. I usually add about half a cup of almond milk and 1.5 tablespoons of chia seed. I mix this and I cover it up for maybe about 10-15 minutes while I'm doing other things, and then I'll get back to it. I like to let my chia seed absorb the almond milk a little bit first before I add all the other stuff. That's my yogurt. I'm using, I think, the Greek yogurt. You can use whichever one you have in your fridge. I'm using the one that I have on hand. And just put a dash of cinnamon. I know cinnamon has a lot of health benefits also. If you know them, let me know in the comments. I don't remember them right now. And of course, I add some fruits. Usually, I alternate between strawberries or blueberries, and of course some pumpkin seeds, giving it some extra nutrients. And pumpkin seed does have iron in it. Hemp seeds also have a lot of health benefits. Girl, I'm trying over here, okay? I'm trying. Then I add some granola on top of it just to give it that crunchiness and that extra fiber. Now, this is what it looks like when I'm done with it and I take it with me to work. It's just quick and easy. Some people prefer to do it overnight, but I think it's also quick and easy to do it in the morning. And look how yummy that looks. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know in the comments. And this will also let you run to the bathroom. So if you know that you're that person, eat it when you come home.